Today is World Cancer Day that is observed on 4th February. In today's scenario, cancer has been spreading all over the world. In India, the incidence of cancer is increasing rapidly. Therefore, it is important to step up cancer literacy and knowledge amongst the people population. We hope that this will lead to early detection, which is important in the management and treatment of cancer, and also prevention by making necessary changes in the lifestyle. What is cancer? Our body is made up of trillions of the cells. On an average person is estimated to contain roughly 30 trillion human cells. There are about 200 different types of the cell in our body. Cells are constantly dying and new cells one being made simultaneously. Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. Cancer develops when the body's normal control mechanism stop working. Old cells do not die and instead grow out of control, forming new, abnormal cells. These extra cells may form a mass of tissue. This mass of tissue is called tumor. The branch of medicine dedicated to diagnosing, treating, and researching cancer is known as oncology. There are more than 100 types of the cancer. Some cancers in human are very common than others, depending on things like your age and gender. For example, prostate cancer only affects men and breast cancer affects only women. Lung cancer is very common in both male and female. Lung cancer does not usually cause symptoms until it is advanced. Prostate cancer is spread in men about 25%. It also does not usually cause early warning sign, but later pain during urination and sudden uncontrollable urinate. Colon and rectal cancer about in 10% of people. Blood cancer is about 7% of people. Skin melanoma is about 5% of people. Kidney cancer is about 4% of people, and pancreatic cancer is about 3% of people. The substances that cause cancer are called carcinogens. Carcinogens may be chemical substances such as certain molecules in the tobacco smoke. The cause of cancer may be environmental agent like intense of UV radiation, occupational risk factor like radioactive material and asbestos. Lifestyle related factor includes tobacco and alcohol. Radiation can cause cancer. Some drugs may increase the risk of cancer. In 5 to 10% of breast cancer, genetic predisposition plays an important role to spread cancer. There are many cofactors of cancer, which is root causes of cancer, like type of diabetes, smoking alcohol, poor diet, nutritional deficiencies, deficiency of macronutrients, obesity, and pharmaceutical drugs cause many type of cancer. Some cancers caused by tobacco and smoking are mouth cancer, pancreas cancer, stomach cancer, leukemia, esophagus, larynx, liver, bladder, bowel, cervix, ovary, leukemia, and very serious in the lungs is spreading. Approx 78% of the lung cancer is spreading by smoking and eating tobacco. There are many symptoms by which cancer can be detected. Unexplained changes to your body, sudden appearance of lumps, blood in your urine, change to your usual bowel habits, lumps in breast, coughing, chest pain, and breathlessness, bleeding, moles, and unexplained weight loss. So, if you are interested in preventing cancer, then simple lifestyle changes can make a difference. Don't use tobacco, eat a healthy diet, maintain a healthy weight, and be physically active. Protect yourself from the sun, get vaccinated, avoid risky behavior, and get regular medical care. Some foods which prevents cancer are grapes, broccoli, ginger, coffee, sprouts, bean, carrots, garlic, and many more. At the end of this presentation, it is essential to fight cancer with the right awareness in the society. So, we should inform people about the importance of regular screening and checkups. We should inform women about mammogram, clinical breast exam, and breast self exam. Help people recognize the early sign and symptom of cancer And last one, we should educate people about the key risk factor since more than 30% of cancer cases could be prevented by modifying lifestyle or avoiding the risk factors.